I'm actually responsible for making sure that the product that we provide to our customer in regards to the console is built appropriately, efficiently, and on time. And we have a phenomenal team in Mexico that I manage of roughly 150 people. I was hired to do this mission critical of we need to take control of our own destiny in terms of manufacturing. To see a medical device facility come up with over 2,000 components being built by over 100 individuals, it's really a testament to the amazing work of that team. The culture we have here is by design. Our number one asset here is our people. The vision could be amazing, but if the people aren't there feeling connected, feeling like they understand the mission of the organization, we'll never get there. And we took that and brought it down to Mexico. And it was really a social experiment. When we looked at building the facility down there, we took and emulated a lot of the concepts of headquarters. We built in the collaboration spaces. We believe in the wellness of our employees through the treatment of our team members, and I think it just overall makes the organization much more agile and much more efficient. Individuals that have the attitude and the aptitude, right? So they don't need to have always 15 years of experience in this very niche space. What I'm really looking for is, are they able to learn? Can they learn quickly? And do they have the attitude to learn and get it done? And most of the challenges we meet, you're not going to find in a bachelor's degree or a master's degree. It's real life problems, and the best way to get through them is having that aptitude and attitude. I would describe Outset as an organization that is relentless in its pursuit of making people feel better. We have just started to enter into the US market. I want to be able to go to any clinic, to go to any home, and to see Tablo working in the home. There will be a book written about Outset, and it will go down in history. So just remember the name Outset, because we're going to see that book one day.